Most people think a food crisis looks like a Hollywood movie. Empty shelves, sirens, and chaos. It's not. In the real world, it's quiet. It's the $1.50 can of tomatoes becoming $1.75, then $2. Then suddenly the brand you like is just gone. By April 2026, the supply chain for 12 specific items is going to tighten so hard that you won't be able to buy them the same way ever again. I'm Carter, and today I'm uncovering the 12 foods you will absolutely regret ignoring while they're still too cheap to care about. We aren't just talking about buying food, we are talking about locking in your survival using the weird DIY tricks this channel is known for. Stay until number 7, because that is the moment most people don't prepare for. It's not about having food, it's about your body losing the will to eat it. Let's get into the foundation. Item 1. Salt, the invisible preservative. You can cut back on sugar, you can cut back on fat, but if you run out of salt, your body literally stops functioning. More importantly, your food starts rotting. Salt isn't a seasoning. It's a technology. The DIY strategy. I don't buy the fancy table salt with iodine for long-term storage. I buy bulk livestock salt, or sea salt. It's 1/10 the price. I'm going to show you how to use a dry cure box, a simple wooden box filled with salt that can preserve meat for months without a fridge. This is how they did it for thousands of years, and it's a trick we've all forgotten. If you don't have 50 pounds of salt, you don't have a survival plan. Item 2. Canned tomatoes. You never think you need to stockpile canned tomatoes. That is exactly why you will run out of them first. Try to remember the last time you cooked a real meal without them. It's the molecular binder of the kitchen. Without it, your rice and beans are just separate, dry ingredients. The DIY trick. Most people buy one can at a time. That's a mistake. You're buying at today's price. California supplies the bulk of these, and their water costs are up 30%. I'm going to show you how to compress your storage. Instead of 50 bulky cans, I buy tomato paste and dehydrate it into tomato leather. It takes up 90% less space and lasts 10 years. Item 3. White vinegar, the chemical multi-tool. White vinegar is the most underrated DIY tool in your pantry. It is not just for salad dressing. It is a preservative, a medical disinfectant, and a fuel cleaner. The forgotten hack. Did you know a 5% acidity vinegar can revive wilted vegetables? In a crisis, you can't throw away food. If your greens are dying, a 10-minute soak in vinegar water rehydrates the cellular structure. Vinegar allows you to pickle almost anything on your counter without a refrigerator. Item 4. Popcorn kernels. You walk past these because they look like a snack. I see them as a high-density energy battery. One bag of dry kernels can provide 150 calories per serving for pennies. But here's the trick. Don't buy the microwave bags. They are expensive, full of chemicals, and the shelf life is trash. The survival pivot: dry kernels kept in a sealed glass jar last 20 years. In a grid-down scenario, you can grind these into cornmeal to make hoe cakes. It's a 2-in-1 item, a morale-boosting snack today and a survival carb tomorrow. I'll show you how to pop these using nothing but a tin can and a small tea light candle, a DIY trick that ensures you have a hot meal even when the gas is cut off. Item 5. Canned fish, the protein anchor. You think you can rely on fresh meat, but the moment the cold chain breaks, your freezer is a ticking clock. Canned fish gives you 25 grams of protein and omega-3s with 0 electricity required. The money-saving logic: prices on sardines have been creeping up quietly. Why? Because the shipping containers are getting smaller. You are paying more for less fish. I stockpile the ugly brands, the ones in the plain tins. The fish is exactly the same, but you're saving 40% per unit. By 2026, meat will be a luxury. These will be your daily fuel. Item 6. Sugar, the instant energy grid. You don't need sugar to live, but you need it to keep going. When your body hits a wall, low blood sugar, extreme cold, or high stress, you need an instant energy grid. I store mine in 5-gallon buckets with a gamma seal. It never expires if you keep it dry. Item 7. Cooking oil, the calorie multiplier. Try cooking without oil. Everything burns, everything sticks. Oil is a calorie multiplier. 1 tablespoon is 120 calories. If you are low on food, adding oil to a small portion of rice doubles the energy density. The storage problem? Don't buy the giant vats. Buy smaller 16-ounce bottles. Why? Because the moment you open a bottle, the clock starts. I store my unopened oil in the darkest, coolest part of the house. I also look for high-stability oils like coconut oil, which can last much longer than vegetable oil in hot climates. Item 8. Flour. There is a gap between having food and creating food. Flour is the ultimate tool of creation. With flour and water, you have bread. With flour and fat, you have a pie crust. I use the freezer method. I put my bags of flour in the freezer for 48 hours before moving them to long-term storage. This kills any eggs and ensures your flour stays clean for years. Item 9. Multivitamins. You won't notice your body failing on day 1. It's a slow decline. You feel tired, your skin gets dry, your wounds don't heal. 1 pill a day keeps your system from redlining when the food quality drops. Item 10. Whole spices, the psychological shield. This is the one most people ignore. You have the rice, you have the beans, and after 3 days, you want to quit. It's called appetite fatigue. If your food tastes like cardboard, your brain will eventually refuse to eat it, no matter how hungry you are. Item 11. White rice, the foundation. It's the king of survival for a reason. It's stable, it's cheap, and it's efficient. But the mistake is buying brown rice. Brown rice has oils that go rancid in 6 months. White rice lasts 30 years. The DIY sealing hack. I don't pay for professional sealing. I use a standard vacuum sealer and a DIY snorkel hack to pull air out of Mylar bags. I can seal a 20-pound bag of rice for about 50 cents. This is the foundation of your entire stockpile. If you don't have 100 pounds of rice by 2026, you are essentially gambling with your future. Item 12. Water, the non-negotiable. You can have all 11 items above, but without water, you have exactly 3 days to live. Water is the only thing you cannot replace. But don't just buy plastic bottles. The plastic leaches chemicals over time. The final trick, I focus on infinite water. I showed you the 66 DIY solar still in my last video. DIY solar still. This $15 solar still turns dirty water into pure drinking water. That $15 build is more valuable than 1,000 cases of bottled water because it produces water.